Let's further delve into the Coins Image Regression dataset. To access it, please navigate to the View Dataset menu and click on the Coins_Image_Regression option in the Datasets table. In the Sample Train Data tab, you can observe 3 columns and a subset of 6,028 rows from the Coins Image Regression dataset. Each row in the dataset includes the name of an image that depicts multiple coins, with their combined value recorded in the label column. To better understand the dataset, let's view a few visual examples of the dataset rows. Click the Sample Train Visualization tab. If you hover over one of the images, the label of the image appears. Great! With the information about the Coins Image Regression dataset, we can proceed to build a model that predicts the total sum of coins in an image. Let's review our position in the experiment flow. Dataset availability. We already have access to the properly formatted dataset here. Model construction. Our next step is to build the model. We will train the experiment's model using H2O Hydrogen Torch. Once the model is trained, we will observe its progress and inspect the completed model. Model tuning. Moving forward, we will delve into the more detailed aspects of model tuning. This includes examining the hyperparameters and exploring grid search techniques to optimize the model's performance.